Okay, so in this lecture we'll discuss about animations. Okay, so we need to be very careful while using animations because too many animation effects on the website could really spoil the user experience. Like everything moving here and there will not give a nice experience. Okay, so when and where should we use animations? Okay, so it is suggested that we use animation for these three purposes. So one is to for the informational purpose, like to indicate the user that certain action is going to happen. We can use certain animations. Okay, and the other part is natural. To give some naturalism and realism to your website, we can use animations. Okay, and then emotional to convey certain emotions and to be sympathetic with your user, you can use the animations. Okay, so let us see the example of each type. Okay, so this is the example of informational. Okay, so if I just hover over, see that right arrow mark is coming, which is indicating or giving an user some information that something is going to happen. Like if you click on this, something is going to happen towards the right. Right, so to give certain kind of indications like this, you can use animations. Okay, so this is the for the informational purpose. Okay, these are very subtle, so you should keep animations very subtle so that it will be a very good user experience. Okay, so the next thing is naturalism. Like if you see these buttons, like if I hover over, you feel as if the button is lifted above, right? It just comes as if it is raised, right? Raised from the ground. That happened because of the shadow in the background. So to give this effect, you can use animations. Okay, so these are the things for which you need to add animation. Okay, and then uh, about emotion, like this is to indicate that joyful and happy, like jumping of the text, right? So if user has achieved something or have done a task which needs some appreciation, you could use certain animations to display that emotion or be sympathetic with your user, that you are also happy, or just to do some celebration kind of animation. Okay, so these are the ways in which you can use animation in your websites. Okay, so I think we have covered the majority of the part of the UI design now. So let's go to the next lecture with a new thing. Thank you.